Hey everybody, I am trying a new thing for this section. I have made a slideshow for you to kind of work at your own pace. This will help eliminate the amount of emails you're getting every day, and it really will allow you to work at your own pace. So if you want to do more work one day and then skip a day, you can totally do that. So in this slideshow, you will find 8 days, a Monday through Thursday, and then another, actually, it would be 7 days, a Monday through Thursday, and then a Monday through Wednesday of lesson videos and then practice problems. Like I said, you can work at your own pace, but it's really important that you get everything turned in or done. You don't really have to turn anything in. I'll talk about that in a second. Just view everything and do all the practice problems in the slideshow before the 13th, before May 13th. I believe that's a Wednesday. And you don't have to turn anything in with the slideshow, but in the Google assignment, classroom assignment, there is a Google Doc that you have to fill out. You just have to answer a couple questions in there, give me a little feedback so that way I know that you are following along and doing the work. And again, you can do this at your own pace, but that Google Doc really allows us to be able to tell what you're doing and when you're doing it. If you have any questions about this, please contact me. Again, this is something different that I'm trying, so Mr. Plagans might not have many answers for you, but I am hopeful that it'll be helpful and it'll cut down on the amount of emails you guys are getting every day because we're hearing that that's an issue. So I hope that you like it. Please give me your feedback if there's something that you think I could do better or change. Um, I hope that it works well for you. I put a lot of time into it, so we'll see you guys later.